To the casual observer, it's a sprawling wetland, a tourist destination. But peel back the surface, and you enter another world, a realm where time moves differently, where ancient creatures rule, and shadows hold secrets that defy explanation. This is not the Everglades you think you know. This is the Unseen Everglades, and what's hiding in its depths will change how you see this place forever. Introduction: the River of Grass. On the surface, the story is simple. The Everglades is a slow-moving river, 60 miles wide and over 100 miles long, flowing from Lake Okeechobee to the Florida Bay. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, an international biosphere reserve, a wetland of international importance. But this river of grass is a masterpiece of deception. Its beauty is undeniable, but its true nature is one of paradox. The water is shallow, yet it conceals abysses. The landscape is open, yet it hides countless labyrinths. It's a place of life teeming with birds and fish. Sometimes it's a place of death, where the rules of the natural world are written in tooth and claw. To understand its secrets, we must look deeper. The ancient ones, living fossils. The first rulers of these depths are ancient. They are living fossils, creatures that have survived virtually unchanged for millions of years. Their reign is absolute. The American alligator, a keystone species. They are not just residents, they are architects. Their gator holes, dug during the dry season, became critical reservoirs, sustaining entire ecosystems of fish, turtles, and birds through droughts. They are gardeners, their movements clearing channels that help distribute water. But here's a fact you likely haven't heard. Alligators have a second set of eyelids, transparent, nictitating membranes that act like built-in diving goggles. But more mysteriously, they possess an incredible immune system. Their blood contains powerful antibiotics, a defense against the brutal bacteria in the warm, stagnant waters they inhabit. Scientists are actively studying alligator blood in the fight against antibiotic-resistant superbugs, a modern medical miracle, hiding in a prehistoric beast. But the alligator shares its throne with another ancient, the alligator gar. This is not a dinosaur-like creature. For all intents and purposes, it is a dinosaur. This fish can grow over 8 feet long and weigh 300 pounds. Its scales are composed of gonoid, a bony, diamond-shaped armor so tough it can deflect a predator's bite, and reportedly even a knife blade. It's an ambush predator, a living torpedo that has remained perfectly designed for its role for over 100 million years. In the depths of the Everglades, the Mesozoic era never ended. The shadow invaders and the ghosts, the ancient ones, living fossils. The first rulers of these depths are ancient. They are living fossils, creatures that have survived virtually unchanged for millions of years. Their reign is absolute, but the ancient balance has been shattered. A new silent predator now slithers through the shadows, and ghost from another continent, the Burmese python. Their impact is well documented. A catastrophic decline in raccoon, opossum, and bobcat populations. But the depth of their invasion is truly haunting. They are not just on land. They are expert swimmers, capable of holding their breath for up to 30 minutes and traveling vast distances through the glades waterways, making them impossible to eradicate. Here's the chilling detail that keeps biologists awake. Pythons are being found with incredible levels of mercury in their systems. This toxic heavy metal, leached from the natural limestone bedrock, bioaccumulates up the food chain. The pythons, as apex predators, are becoming toxic reservoirs themselves, a silent, slithering testament to a disrupted ecosystem. And amongst this struggle between ancient and invasive, there are true phantoms. The ghost orchid, one of the world's rarest flowers. It has no leaves, no roots in the traditional sense. It lives entirely on air and sunlight, clinging to the bark of trees like a spectral apparition. For over a century, its pollination was a mystery. The answer? The giant sphinx moth, a creature with a tongue long, enough, sometimes over 12 inches, to reach the nectar deep within the ghost orchid's elongated spur. This symbiotic dance, this perfect lock-and-key relationship between two elusive organisms, happens in the deep, silent hammocks, a secret the Everglades kept for generations. The ultimate mystery, what else is down there? So with all we know, the ultimate question remains, what is still down there, waiting to be discovered? The Everglades is notoriously difficult to survey. Its water is too murky for cameras, its terrain too treacherous for easy travel. Biologists using environmental DNA, a technique that samples tiny skin cells and scales in the water, are consistently finding genetic traces of fish, species that are not in any official record, unknown species, cryptic creatures that have evaded nets and hooks and human eyes for centuries. There are persistent, anecdotal reports from veteran anglers and guides of massive, unidentified aquatic life. Giant alligator gar larger than any officially recorded. Strange large eels unlike any known species. In the labyrinth of underwater limestone, caves and solution holes, some of which are hundreds of feet deep, almost anything is possible. The Everglades does not give up its secrets easily. It is a living, breathing entity. A reminder that even in the modern age, there are corners of our world that remain wild, unknown and deeply mysterious. The Everglades is more than a national park. It is a chronicle of deep time, a battleground for survival, and a vault of unsolved mysteries. It is a place where the line between the known and the unknown is as thin as the surface of the water. Its depths hold the keys to our past and perhaps the answers to our future. To know it is to protect it. And to protect it, we must first understand that we have only just begun to scratch the surface. What did we miss? What's the strangest thing you've ever seen or heard about in the wild? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to journey deeper into the world's greatest mysteries with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next expedition. Until then, keep looking deeper.